General Settings. Let's take a look at the General Settings options available for customization. Begin by opening the Settings menu by clicking on the cog icon located next to your profile picture. Let's take a detailed look at the General Settings. The first set of preferences have to do with auto-translation. Here you can select how the auto-translate will populate the target language text. By default, the editor will automatically copy the best memory hit and adjust inline tags. You can also choose to have the editor copy the source text in the event no hit is found or translate terms from memory or terminology databases. The next set of preferences deal with propagation. Here you can decide if the editor should automatically propagate the translations. You can also determine if the propagation should overwrite any existing translation. If enabled, the next option will automatically replace numbers and dates from the phrase matches. Following the auto substitute for dates and numbers is the auto replace options for source and target matches. If enabled, the source and target texts are automatically swapped in phrase matches. The autocomplete option will automatically propose segments or words coming from the resources available in the Translation Finder. You can also turn this feature on and off directly on the bottom bar of the editor working space. The next set of features deal with the interface. Here you can remove borders, use a row view, or choose the compact view for smaller screens. These options are also available using the View menu on the working space. The last set of options can be found in the Advanced menu. Here you can decide how to view markup codes, enable spell check, use QA checks, and more. You can also decide what types of revisions you see and whether or not you receive notifications when saving. Lastly, you can disable the infinity scroll and/or display character counts depending on your working preferences. These settings can be changed at any time and may take several tries till you get the best configuration for your preferences. Once finished, remember to click Save to keep your changes.